Hi, my name is Jade. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this, please make sure you subscribe to motivate me. C# 9.0 introduces record types. You use the record keyword to define a reference type that provides built-in functionality for encapsulating data. You can create record types with immutable properties by using positional parameters or standard property syntax as follow. You can also create record types with mutable properties and fields as follow. While records can be mutable, they are primarily intended for supporting immutable data models. The record type offers the following features. Concise syntax for creating a reference type with immutable properties. Behavior useful for a data-centric reference type. Value equality. Concise syntax for non-destructive mutation. Built-in formatting for display. Support for inheritance hierarchies. You can use structure types to design data-centric types that provide value equality and little or no behavior. But for relatively large data models, structure types have some disadvantages as follows. They don't support inheritance. They're less efficient at determining value equality. For value types, the valueType.equals method uses reflection to find all fields. For records, the compiler generates the equals method. In practice, the implementation of value equality in records is measurably faster. They use more memory in some scenarios, since every instance has a complete copy of all of the data. Record types are reference types, so a record instance contains only a reference to the data. I hope this video will be informative for you. Please subscribe to get latest updates from me and share your thoughts in comment section. I will love to read your reviews.